it turned out to be a nice day.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna do it. I gotta get high enough so it'll be more epic when I fall. I'm gonna turn a flip in the air and I'm gonna land on my face. What happened to her? Did she survive? We may never know. Blood has been spilled this night. It's Sunday. Sunday is a nice, peaceful day usually, but then comes Monday. I try to treat every day of the week as equal, but let's face it, they're not equal. So today, while most people in America were watching the Super Bowl, we were out taking a nice walk. And I'm so glad we did, because the sky was beautiful and the temperature outside, my goodness, is this really winter? I don't even know, but it was such a gorgeous, gorgeous day. And I'm so glad we opted to take a walk, been many years since I kept up with American football. I used to watch it a lot. I'm kind of out of the loop. Probably started about 20 years ago that I sort of stopped caring about any of that stuff. And it was mostly because of somebody I knew used to get so hot-headed about football. You just didn't want to be around all that craziness. It wasn't a big deal. It was a game. If you feel like you've got to destroy stuff because of something going on in football, you might need to go get yourself checked out. I'm just saying. I used to be a big Dallas Cowboys fan back in the days of Troy Aikman, Emmitt Smith, and Michael Irvin. Those were some fun days. They were actually fun to watch. I think I just got turned off by the attitudes of a certain person that used to watch it. That's a whole nother story. I'm not going to get into that story right now. One day I might. The things that happened back in those days have shaped who I am today. And not altogether in a good way. But that's okay. Sometimes you have to do what you have to do to survive. Anyway, today was an absolutely gorgeous day. It was too good to be stuck inside the house. A person has to go outside when it's like that. I mean, you should be ashamed of yourself not going outside when it's as beautiful as it was today. That's right. What else did we do? A little bit of driving around here and there. It's hard to get anywhere around here without a car. Although they are connecting a lot of the bike trails to the other cities that are close by. So that comes in really handy. I think one day I need to get on the bike and just go for as long as I can go and explore some of those trails. Because that's where the nature is. In these towns, if you want to go where the nature is, you need to hop on one of those trails. They'll take you down by the creeks. That's the best part of the town. I mean, unless you're into buying a bunch of stuff, which I'm not. It does not fit my personality. I think the value is in the nature, in the trails that have trees and creeks and some places that I have yet to explore. Yeah, I think that's far more valuable than having another place to buy a shirt. As you can see, I'm not that worried about clothing. I have like 3 or 4 pieces of clothing that I alternate throughout the winter. That's right, I'm a clothes horse. Probably one of the least fashionable people you'll ever see. I'm okay with it though, but I'm sure other people that go around with me probably question it. Water. That's right. I'm saving the Diet Coke for later. I'm going to try to drink more water. Oh, that reminds me. Tomorrow, I have a jug of water, and I'm going to attempt to drink the entire jug of water tomorrow. And then I'm going to try to drink another jug of water the next day. It's a gallon jug. Remember how I said I was going to try to drink a gallon of water a day? That challenge is starting tomorrow. We're going to see if I can do it and see what happens. Because I've heard some people say you can get rid of dark circles by drinking a gallon of water a day. And also, your face won't look as dried up. You know, who wants a dried up looking face? I don't. So, a gallon of water it is. What else? I think it helps with digestion. I mean, it ought to. I can't remember what else. Well, weight loss. How can I forget that? Because you fill yourself up with water and you're not eating as much. I don't really eat that much right now. I just don't eat right. Anyway, that's tomorrow. Okay, it didn't rain today either. Somebody lied to us. The weatherman even is confused by this weather. I mean, they're just as surprised as anybody that it's 80 degrees in winter. Well, maybe tomorrow it'll rain. As long as it doesn't rain next weekend, because next weekend, the car has to get fixed. It has to. February is running out of time. I have to fix it. The car registration and inspection is due at the end of this month. It isn't going to pass with that fuel sensor thing making the engine light pop off. It's not going to work, so I have to fix it. And I will record it. I'm not saying how quickly that video will get posted. There might be somebody else who has a similar problem with their car, and they might want to know how to fix that mess. Apparently, it's a pretty common issue, and it costs a fortune to have somebody else do it. But you can do it yourself if you're careful, and it will be a fraction of the price. I guess I talked too long because my memory card ran out on the phone, and I had to delete some stuff. And here I thought I didn't have anything to talk about today. Apparently, I had way too much to talk about. Okay, I'll just end it here before this thing shuts down again. I hope you all are having a great day. I want to thank you so much for watching and for subscribing. You guys take care out there, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.